Hello guys, welcome back to famous YouTube channel to watch more videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning such as facial emotion recognition using TensorFlow, blinking of eyes detection using Python, drowsiness detection using Python. We have seen many videos on drowsiness detection. Hand tracking, we have seen many videos on hand tracking using Python. Speech recognition, also we have seen many videos on speech recognition using Python, and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really interesting. I will try to explain it in brief. The objective is to classify each face based emotion based on emotion in the facial expression. We know that, as we know, OpenCV is a very popular library to automatically detect faces in images and draw bounding boxes around them. Keras is a very powerful open source Python library like TensorFlow, etc. Yes. In this video, I have implemented facial expression recognition using Keras dataset. Training and evaluation operation could be handled via 2013 CSV file. That dataset I use via 2013 CSV file. Compressed version of dataset is 92 MB and uncompressed version is 295 MB. As we know, each image was stored as 48 into 48 pixel. The pure dataset consists of images pixel 48 into 48, that is 2304 values of each emotion, of every emotion of each image, and uses a train or test. So we will go through the program. Importing required libraries and this thing, and this another part. Matplotlib will show the output in the graph format, and all this about the program. These are the emotions: angry, disgust, fear and happy, and this thing, then this thing, then this thing. Now I will execute the program. Yes, disgust classifies angry. Since the file is in MB, it takes some time to load. Wait for a few seconds. File is in MB, it takes time to load. Wait for a second, please. Yes. Yes, it has been loaded. Yes. Now I will do another thing. Yes, graph is there. So train dataset and public dataset. Okay. So I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I have successfully done with facial expression classification using Keras. I will be back with more videos on machine learning. Thank you.